Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of a basic line dance move. Now, this one we are doing a rock step, right? So I'm gonna turn around. Rock step is just two counts, two steps on two counts of music, right? So starting with the right, you just rock up and then rock back. Okay, that's it. Up, back, right? You can also, so that's a forward rock. One, two. You can also do it on the left, forward rock. One, two. Okay. And then you can also do a back rock. So you start with the right, back, and then forward. Okay. Back, forward. Okay. You can also start with the left, do a back rock, back, forward. And you're shifting your weight every time. That makes it a rock. Okay. So rock forward and rock back. Now, when you put a forward and a back rock together, it's called a rocking chair. So y'all just got another little dance move, a rocking chair. Rock up and rock back. All right. On the left, rock up and rock back. Okay. Do it on the side so you can see another angle. Rock up. You see how I shift my weight? Rock back. Every time you shift your weight. One, two, three, four. That's a rocking chair. Rock step. One, two. Just two steps. Right? Starting with the left. Rock up, rock back. Shift your weight back. One, two. And you start in the back on the left. Three, four. Right? Shift back, shift forward. Rock one, two. Rocking chair. One, two, three, four. Okay. One, two, three, four. Rock steps. Easy peasy. All right. Hope this helps. See you next time, guys. Mwah.